Welcome to all. In this video, we are going to see how batch derivation working in SAP. In general, batch derivation will be used for food, pharmaceutical, and beverage industries, where you want to transfer or display the common batch information to the producer batch. Let's see what are the settings selected for the batch derivation and what are the different category of batch derivations available in SAP. So as I told, batch derivation have major two functions. The first function is displaying the common information to the producer batch. Second category is transferring of some of the common batch classification data or batch information to the producer batch. If you are only displaying the common batch information to the producer batch, it is called static batch derivations. If you are transferring the batch information of common batch to the producer batch, it's called dynamic derivation. So based on the direction of the batch derivations, it's further classified into pull derivation and push derivations. So pull derivation is a one where the multiple common batch information will be sent to the one producer batch. That means here there is a n:1 relationship between the sending batch and receiving batch. Whereas in push derivations, the one common information will be sent to the multiple producer batch. Here it is 1:n relationship. So it depends upon the business case. So we need to choose whether a pull derivation or push derivations. So let me show you some example for pull and push derivations. So consider the case where the mixed fruit juice is manufacturing from the multiple individual fruit juices. So here the expiry date from the single fruit juice will be sent to the mixed fruit juice batch. So this is called pull derivations. The same case, consider the orange bulk juice manufacturing. From there, it is a different type of container capacity will be manufactured. So here, so whatever the expiry date is set for the bulk orange juice batch will be sent to the different batch of the producer batch. So this is an example for push and pull derivations. Let's see how we can configure this one in SAP. Let me quickly take you into that required IMG settings for the batch derivations. First, we need to activate the batch derivation at client level. Then we need to define the derivation event. SAP has given some default derivation event. Okay. This derivation event tells you when you want to transfer the common batch information to the produced FG batch. That means, for example, manufacturing of 20 ml orange juice container. So when you want to transfer the expiry date of the bulk orange juice batch to the 20 ml container batch, then we can define the event accordingly. So for this demo purpose, I'm going to use the derivation event 400, which is nothing but goods received at the time of production order. So here derivation type what I'm going to use is static. That means the batch information, the expiry date of the bulk batch will be transferred to the 20 ml container batch and it will be stored in the container batch also. Let's look into that example where that orange juice 100 ml container is defined as a finished goods. For that we need bulk orange juice as an input material. So now using batch derivation we are going to transfer the bulk orange juice batch expiry date to the orange juice 100 ml container batch. There are some required master data for this scenario. First we need to define the recipient condition record for the FG batch. So I am defining the recipient condition record. I'm going to define it for the material number wise. You can also have option to define it for the material type also. So I'm defining the receiver material and I'm also defining the what information I want to receive it from the sending batch. That means common bulk batch. So once the recipient condition record is defined, then we also need to define the sender condition record. So here I'm going to use the receiving material plus sending material combination. I'm going to define the condition record. So where I'm defining my receiver material is orange 100 ml container. So here we are defining the receiving material and sending material. In sending material, we also need to define the so what kind of information you want to send to the receiving batch. So these are the two required master data we need to define. So let me run the one production cycle, then how that bulk batch orange juice expiry date will be transferring to the 100 ml container of the orange juice, that we will see. First, let me look into that stock and requirement list of the bulk orange juice. So bulk orange juice, we have batch called bulk J01, so available at the location 0001. So the expiry date of the bulk orange juice batch is 1st of February 2023. So now, so when we producing the 100 ml container of the orange juice, the same expiry date will be transferred to the FG batch. So here I have created the order for orange juice 100 ml container, which is my FG finished goods product, for which we need the bulk orange juice of 1000 ml. So let me perform the goods issue confirmation GRN for this order. So I am performing the final confirmation. So where I specify in the storage locations. So my FG batch would be FG008. So let me save the confirmation. So now my FG batch is posted to the unrestricted stock. So when I open the batch master of this FG008 batch, so you can see the self-life expiry date is copied from the raw material bulk batch. That means orange bulk juice batch, it's copied. So you can also see the change log. Okay, at the time of CO6N, that batch derivation was triggered and updated the expiry date from the raw material batch. If you have any question on this video, please comment on this comment section. And thanks for watching this video. See you on the next video.